I wasn't even gonna get them, and my wife was like, get them. Is it lighter than the OG? Yeah, of course. None of these are gonna look exactly like the OG. That's what y'all gotta get through y'all head, bro.
Let me get it dough.
What it do out there, my good peoples? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. I am back. Yes, I am officially back. I ain't going nowhere this time. I know I said that before probably, but this time I mean it. Like Dip said, yeah, we gonna get straight to it, man. Talk about something that I said I wasn't gonna do, but I did it because I was kind of out the game after Brick by Bricks. I was a little pissed off, but I think I'm back in it, man. So, yesterday I headed to the mall. I grabbed something. Y'all know what this is. You should know what it is. Y'all know what happened this weekend. So, anticipated shoe, but not necessarily the most anticipated shoe. It seemed like they selling good. I ain't gonna say like they, quote unquote, I don't even like to use that word. It's not like they flopping, you know what I'm saying? They doing numbers. They just not selling out immediately first day, but I think over time these will eventually dry up. But yeah, man, with no further ado, a shoe that you already seen, the Jordan 8 Aqua, man. Yes, sir. I had to do it, man. I had to do it. I ain't gonna lie, this threw me off for a second. This kind of did. However, in reality, compared to the actual OG from '93, it's not that much lighter. People looking for that, I think that's that '07 pair that was like all black. I actually even seen a video, not a video, I saw a post where somebody has actually already started, people have started dyeing this black to make it look like the '07. So that lets me know that those people are young. They got some knowledge, but they don't know the full history. If you dyeing this black, you don't know the full history. Like I say, is it lighter than the OG for real? Yeah, of course. But none of these are gonna look exactly like the OGs. That's what y'all gotta get through y'all head, bro. It's like, it's gonna be some slight variations. And then they all gonna have slight differences. Like imagine if they just made all the cars look exactly the same for 20, 30 years. Never made any slight variations. Same thing with this, man. And in my opinion, these are, oh shit. In my opinion, these are very clean, very, very pristine. I didn't really see many QC errors, but I did pick these up from the store, so be a little different when you get them from the store. Quality on these mugs is pretty good, bro. Pretty decent, man. I wasn't even gonna get them, and my wife was like, get them. Real talk. And I tried them on because I haven't bought 8 since I was a kid, honestly, so I've been hearing different stuff about the size, and personally, I went true to size. I grabbed my size 11. Also did something I haven't done in a while, is actually measure my foot to see what size shoe I wear, to make sure I wear the same size shoe. And I do. I got one foot bigger than the other, which that's not uncommon. I know that's not uncommon, but yeah. And I'm saying that to say that with the sizing on these, I think if you have normal feet, like narrow feet, not wide feet, I think you can go true to size on these with no issue, no problem. You'll be good. My right foot is actually damn near an 11 and a half, but it fit me good. I feel like I know when I actually get to wearing these, they gonna break in, everything gonna be A1. So I would suggest going true to size, man, if you're still looking for these. This is a shoe that you will, in my opinion, I think you'll be able to get them. Hit me up in the comment section, man. Let me know, did you cop? Are you gonna cop, and how are they selling in your area? Because I know, depending on where you're at, you know, it could vary. So other than that, still 10s on the way, man. I know a lot of people mad about that toe cap. I'm not tripping on it. I actually, this is a shoe that I get both angles on it. Anyway, this is a shoe that I understand everybody's angle on. And I consider myself a purist to a certain extent. I'm an open-minded purist, that's what I am. So like, I'm able to take myself outside of that box and look at certain things for what they are and accept them for what they are. But the thing with the toe cap is, originally the 10s did drop with a toe cap. Mike didn't like the toe cap, so they got rid of it. Bada boom, bada bing. The pair that I had when I was a kid, the ones that didn't have the toe cap. Now in 2025, I'm not tripping by the toe cap. So if I can get my hands on them, I'm gonna get my hands on them. I think that's gonna be the next pair that's probably gonna be kind of hyped up outside, of course, the rare Air Force. I got the 3s. In my opinion, the 3s are way better. The 4 is still kind of dope, but 3s are way better. I might not necessarily want them, but I know I could probably use them for trade bait, put them with something else that I got over there, and, you know, come up on something else that I've been trying to get a hold of without having to pay resale. Now, what's crazy about the rare Air Force is Snipes. I got a notification Saturday that the rare Airs had dropped on Snipes. So yeah, I don't know if that was an error. I'm assuming it was an error because for most people I've seen, they said their orders got canceled. I couldn't even check out. So I'm assuming that somebody over there at Snipes hit the wrong button. They probably was going for the 8s and accidentally hit the button for the rare Air Force. It is what it is. They still will be dropping on the 29th. So hey, have at it. I might grab them, I might not. I'm still kind of, you know, up in the air on that. And then at the end of the day, kind of, you know, at a point where I'm thinking about falling back from the sneakers a little bit. And you think about it, this shit gets expensive, bro. $200 every other week or every week. Damn near, if you really think about it, like depending on, you know, what your preference is. So yeah, it's expensive as hell, man. And I've been falling back, bro. A lot of my videos, from now on might not necessarily be me showing you product. It's gonna be me talking about product, talking about other things that's going on in the world and in life in general. Other than that, that's pretty much it for sneaker news right now. I don't think y'all, actually let me see, man. Y'all probably don't care about these. Came out a little minute ago. What y'all think, man, about the Kobe's, man? The Kobe Forces, man. They a little different. They ain't got the best leather on them, but it's not that typical. It's not that typical Air Force One leather. Like these feel like they'll last a little bit. They seem like, I ain't gonna lie, they're a little lighter than regular Air Force Ones. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, the camera and the light is doing these no justice. I don't know if y'all can really see the snake print on them joints, man. Crazy, bro, crazy. But yeah, man, this is another one I grabbed, man. I almost forgot about these because I grabbed them a minute ago. They just been sitting in the box, man. I actually forgot about these, so I did cop some shoes this year. Most of the shoes I bought this year, I bought shoes to like hoop in. And not saying I'm, you know, but I get out there. I do a little something, you feel me? Your average driveway hooper probably can't fuck with me. You know what I mean? But anyway, man, yeah, I bought some hoop shoes, I bought some exercise shoes. I've been trying to get on my health thing and stay consistent with that. I have lost a nice amount of weight, man. Other than that, yeah, I haven't really copped nothing. Yeah, I haven't really copped nothing. We'll be doing some more videos talking about Whatnot, a new store on there that I like to deal with, man. They got some decent stuff, mostly like Fear God, you know what I mean, other little brands. And that price is decent, fast shipping. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing videos about that too as I get more off into exploring these different Whatnot stores and, you know, put y'all on some game, man. I do have a code I'm gonna probably put in the description of this video for Whatnot. You can use my code to sign up. We can get some, you know what I'm saying, get some little extra credits, and ain't nothing better than money, but free money, you hear me? What else? Dame to sign back to Portland. I kind of wanted to see Dame go to Golden State, but I get it, man. I'm actually happy for Dame. I think that's a good look for him. Bro still getting paid from his Milwaukee contract until that's up, and he just signed a new contract. I ain't gonna lie, I'm actually kind of happy for him, bro. I think Dame is gonna be real happy right now being back in Portland, bro. For one, he's still getting paid and he about to take a whole year off. So now he gets to chill with his family, be with his family. I know that's something that's big to him. Milwaukee, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I could tell Dame wasn't happy there. I could tell he was cool, but I could tell he wasn't happy. So I think he's gonna be happy now. I think that's gonna be a good look for him. I think he's gonna rehab well. The medical staff there, very familiar with him, man. He already got the rapport there, already got the love there. So I feel like, man, that might be the best place for Dame, man. They gonna help bro rehab right, get him back to where he need to be. And I think that's where he gonna end his career at, man. Ring or not, Dame is still one of the GOATs, man. Top 75 player. That top 75 list, and we're gonna have to stretch that mother out to 125 or something. But yeah, man, shout out to Dame going back to Portland, man. Yeah, it is what it is. I am not using my mics today. I'm not even using my camera right now, actually. I'm using my phone because I didn't feel like having to dump the card and hook up the mics. I'm out of here, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can get your notifications when these videos dropping so you can lock in with me. If you are a tenured subscriber, a tenured family member, man, again, I thank you for your love and your support. I thank you for sticking with me through all my inconsistencies and all of that, man. If this is your first time on the channel, again, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you, especially if y'all made it to the end of this video. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure y'all follow me on my social medias, man. Michael_Dub on Instagram, Michael Dub on Facebook. Don't Wait to Create on Twitter. And I'm gonna drop those links in here as well. Peace, love, I'm gone.
Yeah, plan, apply, strategize. I'm a boss, you a worker, nigga. I don't fraternize, man. Bad, got a couple racks and a gat inside. Bad bitch with me, got an ass and a matching thighs.
Look, I don't do social media trends. I'm an introvert, so I don't really need me a friend. How many of us have them bumping Houdini again? Cross me once and you probably won't never see me again. Yeah, son of a preacher, but knee deep in the sin. This shit could be 33 feet deep in the deed, I'ma win. Even if it means